Ma, will you punch your daughter for $1 million?
I will do it for Nutella.
Mother, are you homophobic?
Number 1, you're gay. Number 2, I have a lesbian daughter. Number 3, I watch RuPaul's Drag Race.
Mom, why is your chin like that?
Which one? I have 2. I should have swallowed both of you.
No!
Love you, my daughter. Don't go to work. Please, help me. I just want to make a normal video just to say I love you to my daughter. Lesbian, when are you going to get married? I want to walk with you down the aisle. Walk with what? A wheelchair? Jealous straight.
Mommy, when are you gonna walk me?
Pok pok bottom.
Ano?
Pok 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 pok. Welcome to the club, Ollie.